Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have the Ryobi 18 volt 1 Plus EVERCHARGE hand vacuum kit, the P714K. Stick around, we're gonna open up and try it out. Welcome back guys. Before we open it up, like always, we will take a look at some of the things on the box. So right off the bat, this does include the P102 battery, so the lithium-ion battery, and the P180 wall mount adapter. That's part of their EVERCHARGE system. So that's how it mounts on the wall. Additionally, this has their dual filter system to catch debris. They say it's 27% quieter than the P713 model. It has a fairly large cup capacity in the front, 3.5 cups worth of material or debris, and weighs in at 2.2 pounds. All right guys, that's it for the box specs. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Slide that there. So first out is the battery. Again, this is the P102 1.3 amp hour battery. Right there. Get rid of some of that. Next out, more cardboard. Oh, there's, feels like the charger. Operators. Guessing that's screws. That is bizarre. Something in that bad boy. Hopefully don't lose that, okay? So back to what we were doing here. This is the vacuum, obviously. Right there. And nothing left. Make sure. Nothing left in there. So we're good. Again, what I was pulling out was the operator's manual, and this came shooting out. This is again, I think it's the screws. That's my guess. It's the screws to mount this, which is the wall mount charger. And this is the P180. There we go. All right, get that out of its plastic. Okay, so here is the P180 wall mount charger, part of their EVERCHARGE system. And this is the same one that is in the new area light and some of their other tools, but essentially again, this just slides on like that and can stay there and keep the battery topped off. And it looks like it's got the LED indicator right there in the front. So kind of nice. It has the power button on the top, or I guess the LED indicator there. This is the release. Yep. So that's the release. So again, this is the charging or the LED light to indicate the different charging that it's doing. You have the release for the capacity here. And then you have a replaceable filter. So this is if we pull out the filtration system, and this one's a lot better. Maybe, there we go. So if we pull out the filter here, this is the 3.5 cup capacity, or the bin that you can then pour out. Next you have the 2 filtration systems. So this is the interior non-replaceable filter, and this is the secondary filter here that is replaceable. You can pop this out. So 2 little tabs on the side to grab that, and that pops in and out like so. So you can clean that, slide that back in. Now, one thing to note is this one does not have any additional attachments. This is the nose, or the part that you'd use to suck up any of the debris or clean the whatever area you're cleaning, but there's no crevice attachments or brush attachments that come with this. The motor, battery on the back there. Go ahead and put it all back together here and throw the battery on. And again, power button right here. And it's a simple on-off, no 2-speed or any other settings there. One other interesting thing, not that you need it, but the light doesn't illuminate when your battery is on. I assume it's only going to illuminate when we plug it in. So we'll go ahead and show that here and start cleaning some stuff up. Otherwise, again, in the bag, we're gonna double check, but I can feel them in there. Just a strange way to package the screws in this large bag. Yep, there they are. So 2 little screws in that large bag. Kind of goofy, and they're all rolled up. So don't accidentally throw that away, because that's your screws to mount your charger, your Evermount charge, or the EverCharge charger. 2 screws to do that. So, all right guys, real quick, we're not going to mount it right now, but we did want to show you what this looks like and how the vacuum reacts when you put it on the charger itself. So again, the charging port, or the place that connects to the wall charger, is right here, and that's going to slide. Once we have this mounted, it's going to slide on just like that. And now it is charging. What you'll notice is it goes through an evaluation. It's got an evaluate flash. Then it has the charging, which is what it's doing right now. And then once it's charged, it will keep it topped off, a healthy top off, to keep the battery nice and level for when you're ready to use it. So the trickle charge there at the end. But that's what it looks like. Really nice in the hand. I actually really like how it feels. First impressions are really good on this one. It seems lighter and better balanced than their previous models. Content or capacity is about the same. I'd say it's on par with their standard. It definitely is a little bit quieter. Just so you can get an idea of how loud or how quiet this is in comparison, we'll go ahead, we've got our Decible Counter app open here now, and we'll go ahead and just turn it on so you can hear. So right there you can see about 79 decibels, which 79, 80 decibels, which is about the sound of a conversation. It's about as loud as my voice is right now. And that's, like I said, that's significantly quieter than other models. I think we're really going to like this for the portability, for again how well it's balanced. I feel like it's just a better balance, especially with a bigger battery. I think it is a good little machine. All right guys, again we'll roll through some of us using this. We won't put it through its heavy paces just yet, but again I think I like this better than the previous models or versions. The one exception to that is the crevice tool ability. I think some of the other vacuums can really get into smaller areas a little bit better, or with a brush. It definitely is going to lack in that department. But just as a general handheld vacuum, I think this is really well built. And being on the OnePlus platform, being able to throw any battery we want in here, your runtime is going to go through the roof. With the EverCharge system, having it always ready to go, just a really convenient vacuum. I do like the replaceable filter. The previous versions have had similar setups, and we've liked how that works. So all in all, it seems like a good little vacuum. All right guys, that's it for today. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, because we're uploading new videos each and every week. As part of our 12 days of Christmas, this video along with the others are coming out every single day. So make sure you check back every day the rest of this week for a new video, new box opening. And make sure to check out the links in the description below to see more on what we're doing. As always, if there's a tool that you'd like to see us review on this channel, make sure to comment below and let us know what that is. Thanks for watching, guys. What else was I gonna say? Oh, there's, feels like the charger, operators. What in the world? Where's that sensor? There we go. It definitely is a little bit quieter. As you can hear there, it's not as loud. It's still a vacuum. It's still loud as far as that goes. In fact, all right, what do we have today? Hand vac. All right. I do have it. Oh, I don't have that set up. That's the problem. Control center, customize, record. There we go. Back, down, record. 3, 2, 1. Recording's on.